Now what we're going to do again is a lettuce wrap. And there's some good noodles, but you look up rice noodles. Carb-wise, 47 grams of carbs.
I saw some for 60. 60
Unbelievable.
grams. Yeah, it was unbelievable.
Now this is an experiment and it looks like it worked out well. Shirataki, it's like a tofu spaghetti. It's made out of yam flour, okay? This low-carb tofu spaghetti.
It was in the refrigerator section by the tofu.
It was by the tofu.
It was like,
And
wow,
I
what
thought,
are these?
you know what, I want to try this. I'm going to take a little sesame oil. If you look on the package, it says that it absorbs the flavor of anything you put in it. Now, you need to drain it because it has a little smell.
Yeah, it wasn't terrible though.
It wasn't terrible. So I'm just going to turn these over and brown these. They shrink up.
They taste good. I snuck one. They're really good.
I'm telling you what, you can make almost anything and ingredients can be found in almost any store.
Right.
So we just went to our local Kroger's.
Yeah.
We found everything we needed. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some chicken from the half chicken we made the other day. There's almost always leftovers. 'Cause
Right.
That's
Always
a
love it.
lot
You
of
made a
chicken.
lot. Yeah, you make a lot
Yeah,
of
a
chicken.
whole lot. So this is an experimental batch, so I'm going to do just enough for a couple wraps. And if it works, and I think it will,
That'd be a fun party, wouldn't it?
we can
Wrap party.
boost this recipe way up. It's going to absorb the flavor of the sesame oil. It smells good in here, doesn't
It
it?
does. I'm starving too.
I'm going to also add just some toasted sesame seeds to this
Yummy.
for a little flavor and a little texture. This was absolutely not in any recipe that I've seen. This was, I said, let's get some tofu. And you said, what's this? You held this up. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah.
Let's look and see what's in it. Don't get in a rut. All right, I'm going to get these next couple noodles done.
Okay.
Set these aside. I really like the way we're going here.
I'm excited. I'm
I
hungry.
really like it. Noodles were a success.
Yay.
Low carb. It tastes like sesame oil. Duh. Can't beat that.
Really
So
good.
tell you what we're going to do here. Using leftover chicken here is not a bad idea.
Good idea.
It's already done. You don't have to cook that. So let's take, in our skillet, let's go ahead and put about 1/3 of a cup of sweet chili sauce, which you can
Yummy.
buy anywhere.
Yep.
Let's take a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. I'm going to make me a little spot right here, Nikki. If you put my ginger right in here.
Right there?
I'll let that cook up just
Yeah.
a little bit. You know what? Let's bring a little bit of heat in.
Okay.
Hand me that chili paste over there. We're going to put just a
Pour a
tad of
little?
this in. Put about a 1/2 teaspoon of that. And I'm going to come back with some soy. And about a tablespoon of that. Bring me a little bit of green onion in here.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to get a little saucepan. Let's transfer that into there.
All right.
Now, I was just kind of using this pan because I'd already dirtied it up, and I wanted to get that,
flavor.
good sesame oil out of there. I'm going to move this back here. Let's add the chicken. Get it all nice and acquainted. And I'll tell you what let's do. Let's take about 1/2 of those green onions and go ahead and
Okay.
put it in here. Just like that. So what we're doing is we're making our filling
Yum.
for our lettuce. So we're gonna put this in here, and that's about all we need, Mrs. Farm. I'm just gonna let that simmer there, maybe put just a little more soy in there. And just gonna simmer on low. Put a few more toasted sesame seeds in here. Now, Mrs. Farmer, if you will, let's take some carrots,
Okay.
get a little julienne cutter there. Now, one more thing on the plate is called cucumber sunomono. I looked it up.
Okay.
I use rice wine vinegar, about 1/6 of a cup.
And you already cut these.
Yeah, I already
nice
cut
and
them up
thin.
fairly thin. We're going to take some ginger, and I'm going to say probably about 3/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Just make a little mixer, and just put enough in there to kind of mix that up. And you're making it, it's just a little cucumber salad, but it has that ginger flavor.
Do you want all of them or not?
Yeah, let's get as many as we can in there. This is almost a whole, pretty good sized cucumber. We're going to mix that up and set it in the fridge for about an hour or so. Now you could put some red pepper flakes in there if you want, but we're just going to let that soak that up.
Smells good.
Doesn't it smell good? It's late, Mrs. Farmer.
But that looks delicious.
Are you tired?
I'm tired, but I'm starving. We haven't eaten.
What do you think? How's it look?
It looks better than what we had the other day.
Better?
It does look better. I like
All right,
it.
well, you know what? I'm going to let you make yours. Oh, you know what? Let me garnish this just a little bit right here.
So you want a little bit of everything?
You make yours first.
Okay.
I want you to make it just like you like it.
All right, I can't even wrap it. I made it too big. That's good.
Is this good?
Mm-hmm. That's really
Now,
good.
see, here's what you can do. You can go to any restaurant in the world and you can kind of taste something. That might not be exactly like what they do, but you know what?
That's
that was
good.
so good.
Do you want a bite of this one or you want your own?
You know what? I may as well.
Those noodles are good too. I like it. I like it a lot. That's healthy because we got the lettuce. We're being healthy.
You know
Right?
what?
We're being healthy.
Don't be afraid to try new things. Now this may seem a little unusual outside of the country kitchen realm, but it was so good. And I said, I want folks out there to be able to try this.
Yeah.
All these ingredients, every ingredient we have here is easily found in any store. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Ooh, it's got a little heat in it too.
That'd be fun to have friends over and just sit and all eat
That
this.
would be
Oh,
fun.
that's good.
Now there's one more thing I want to do. Now, I fixed a bunch of chicken with
You
recipes
did. You
in
made a
mind.
lot of chicken.
With recipes in mind. And I wanted to show you how to cut that chicken in half because, you know, you go to a lot of restaurants, you say you want a half a
Right.
chicken.
That's
Now
what
we
you
know
get.
how to do that. So we have chicken left. So how about tomorrow, maybe our allergies won't be so bad and we'll be a little more awake.
Yeah.
And I got a chicken Southwest kind of deal for you. What do you
Yeah.
think?
I would love to
Dig
try
it?
it. I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
eat
fix
this.
me one.